Welcome, class of 2028. Duke's Office of Information Technology is excited to have you on campus this fall. In the meantime, here is OIT's Back to School Kit. It is a quick overview of the most important things you need to know for a smooth start as you begin your first year here at Duke. First and foremost, OIT is here to provide support on the latest information on cybersecurity, free and discounted software, a reliable network, and much more. From getting a Duke card to logging on to the Duke Blue Wi-Fi, staying secure online, and learning new tech skills. It is a resource for all students in the classroom and beyond. Your security is important. Don't fall for online phishing scams. They can sometimes target students. It is important to report suspicious messages rather than responding to them. Reporting a suspicious message is quick and easy using the Microsoft Report button found in all the Outlook clients. Depending on the Outlook client, the button may look like either of these options. It is important that you keep your identity and personal information secure by signing up for multi-factor authentication. Your Duke card is the key to navigating campus. It is now available on all your mobile devices. Open a door, enjoy a meal, or attend an event all with a simple tap of your device. The Duke mobile app is a great way to become more familiar with the different things you have access to on campus. The Duke mobile app contains a variety of useful features, such as an interactive campus map and housing and dining information. As a Duke student, you have access to a variety of industry-leading software programs. You can find software programs such as Microsoft Office 365 and the Adobe Creative Cloud free and at discounted prices. You also can have access to the Innovation Collab. Have an idea you want to bring to life? Come in and create in the studios with 3D printers, WaterJet CNC machines, and more. Want to learn a new skill? The Collab offers free, in-person, online, and self-paced classes that cover subjects such as Python, cybersecurity, CSS, and more. LinkedIn Learning is a free resource for all Duke students. Learn new skills, support your development, or refresh the skills you already have online and at your own pace. LinkedIn Learning offers courses in 3D printing, web development, project management, and much more. The link is a great resource for students to access audio and video equipment. In addition to getting in-person IT support, help is available at the service desk. You can call 919-684-2200. Visit oit.duke.edu/help for support. Class of 2028, your new journey starts now, and the Office of Information Technology is ready to provide you with the support you need to be successful in making the most of your education. For more information, visit oit.duke.edu.